So I'm grabbing my NYX eyebrow pencil in the color ash brown, and all I'm doing is outlining my eyebrow. I have thin eyebrows, so I like to make them a little bit fuller. Let me adjust the camera so the lighting can be good. So I'm just gonna outline my eyebrow to make it look fuller and give it a good shape, the shape that I like, and just making it a little bit full towards the end. My eyebrows, they're pretty full but a little sparse, so I like to make them a little bit thicker. All I'm doing is going in and shading in my eyebrow, and here at the front I'm just doing hair-like strokes to make it a little bit more softer, a little bit more natural looking. And then I get my spoolie at the end of the pencil and I just brush it through. This will help blend everything in a more softer effect. So you see the difference between each eyebrow, and I like to give it a little bit more arch look, so you see the difference of how it gives. So I'm grabbing the NARS concealer in Custard. You can see it's kind of blurry. So I'm grabbing it and I'm just putting it on top of my eyebrow, and I'm putting it on my lid. So this, what I like to do is just a lot of people call it carving the eyebrows. So I'm grabbing my flat brush and just outlining my brows, cleaning them up a little bit so they can look a little bit more sharper. And I like to grab a concealer, or you can grab your foundation, any color that's a little close to your skin color so it won't be so white or so bright. And I'm just brushing it in and getting it a little cleaner around my eyebrows. So what I do, I kind of brush it into my eyelid, and I kind of use that concealer for my eyeshadow. So I'm just doing the same to this eyebrow. I'm just carving out my eyebrows and making sure everything is clean and sharp. And you're just gonna brush it in, pat it, and make sure they're even. So this concealer is not too thick and not too thin, but it goes on really smooth and it dries matte. So I like to just keep brushing it on and blend it in with my skin. The concealer is gonna just blend with my skin, so when I do put on my foundation and also my eyeshadow. And here I am just cleaning up. I just like to make sure everything's blended, and I grab my beauty blender, make sure it's wet, because if it's dry, then it won't spread the product evenly on your skin. And that is how I apply my everyday eyebrow. Tune in next week where I will show you how I apply my everyday eyeshadow. And remember, nobody's perfect. We're all a blank canvas.